Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. Here are the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays foundation for Meghalaya's third five-star hotel, Aureka Hotel in Shillong. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launches Paint My City program in Tura to enhance urban management. Trinamool Congress Chief Mukul Sangma rules out return to Congress. And TMC leader Dr. Mukul Sangma urges against politicization of police force in Meghalaya. Now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday laid foundation for Meghalaya's third five-star hotel, Aureka Hotel by Lemon Tree Hotels Limited at Orchid Hotel in Polo, Shillong. The Aureka Hotel will be a luxury five-star hotel with 130 rooms and will be constructed at a cost of 124 crores through PPP model. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Sangma said that the project is the largest PPP model project in Meghalaya and will fructify into tourism growth, economic growth and employment for the youth. He added that the investment in the tourism sector will create over 1 lakh jobs in the state.
Rooms in this particular hotel. This is a luxury five-star hotel, top of the line with facilities like banquet halls and other amenities so that we can attract not just clientele from all over the country and the world, but we'll be able to promote large MICE tourism. So this is for meetings and conventions, and Shillong is already becoming a place where large organizations, large government departments are having their big meetings and conferences in Shillong.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launched the Paint My City program in Tura West Garo Hills district aimed at improving urban management. The event organized by the District Planning Office was held at the District Auditorium in Tura. The initiative seeks to address urban challenges and streamline municipal services using technology-driven solutions for a more efficient and cleaner city. Moreover, the campaign seeks to resolve issues like garbage, unpainted walls, incomplete construction that affect the city's appearance, and the need for sustained awareness among the citizens to improve the city's cleanliness and beauty.
We have already done a lot of cleanliness of the streets through Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and the Swachhata Hi Seva campaigns. And now it was in the line of the imagination and the objective that was set out by Honorable CM Sir. He initiated this thought process that once we are done with the streets, now the next step forward is to start with the walls for the city. And we see that many of our walls can bear very beautiful artistry, can bear very beautiful graffitis, can bear very beautiful street art. And this is a way where we can not just encourage our local youth to prepare and present some of the best of cultures from the Garo Hills region, but best of these art forms as well. And in that process, make Tura a much more beautiful, a much more cleaner city.
Trinamool Congress Chief Mukul Sangma has firmly stated that he has no plans to rejoin the Congress party, adding that his focus remains on challenging the ruling dispensation. The seasoned politician did not dismiss the possibility of launching a new political party in the near future. And Sangma criticized the alliance between the Congress and NPP in KHADC, claiming that the Congress is complicit with the NPP. He emphasized that his efforts are directed towards strengthening the state and cannot be diverted by such alliance.
Do I need Congress to serve the people? I started my innings as an independent MLA. Yeah, I don't have a godfather in politics. I have only the people who think the same way, people who share my ideas, and people who dare to fight will be with me. I don't believe in shortcut. You know, because somebody may be thinking, oh, if Mukul Sangma goes, then it will be easier for it. That is their opinion. It may be easier, but Mukul Sangma doesn't believe in not fighting. Mukul Sangma believes in fighting for the right cause.
Opposition TMC leader Mukul Sangma has called for an end to the politicization of the Meghalaya police, urging that the force should not be used by any party or individual to settle personal scores. Speaking after attending a meeting of the State Security Commission, Sangma highlighted concerns over political, social and external influences on the police in the western parts of the state, particularly in the Garo Hills. He stressed that the urgent need for deterrence against such practices, warning that even competent officers are sometimes caught in a cycle of power abuse and irregularities which must be addressed.
People who don't belong to their particular, in different way, even sometimes politically also. So, but this trend is wrong because in our given democracy, political parties will come and go. Sometimes some political parties will be in power. Subsequently, some other political power may be in the power. But what is required to be avoided is because this trend, if allowed to continue, then the perception of the people will be such that okay, we can manipulate and we can misuse this power if we are in the government. Let us put an end to that thoughts and ideas.
The Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Thomas A. Sangma, yesterday chaired a meeting of the High Power Committee to review the progress of the new Assembly building construction at Mawdyangdyang. Speaking after the meeting, the Speaker informed that the target for completion of the new Assembly building has been extended with the aim of inaugurating it before the autumn session of 2025. The delay is attributed to the complex and unique design of the dome structure, which requires meticulous and cautious execution.
Has been designed is, there is no such design anywhere in this part of the country, so we are going very slow, we are going very careful about it. So we have asked the structural engineer has to be posted. It's already posted, so we want to go slow. We want to see another mishap happening. So the SPC has decided the work progress so far is going on very satisfactorily. But then, since this is a very new structure design for us, so we are going a little slowly.
The Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, in collaboration with the State-Level Bankers Committee of Meghalaya, hosted an outreach program on the Atal Pension Yojana at the courtyard by Marriott in Shillong today. PFRDA Chairman Deepak Mohanty briefed the media, explaining that the Atal Pension Yojana is aimed at low-income individuals and those without access to pensions, including agricultural workers and small business owners. The scheme offers pension ranging from 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees based on individual contributions starting at the age of 60. The outreach aims to increase awareness among banks and frontline staff to boost enrollments.
Small businesses, they don't have access to pension. So APY gives a pension between 1,000 to 5,000 rupees. So people would have to contribute to the scheme, and so it has three benefits. At the age 60, the person gets pension depending on his or her contribution. If he or she passes away, the spouse gets similar amount of pension. Both of them pass away, then the accumulated amount, whatever they have put, along with interest, is given to the next of kin.
The government held a meeting with the teachers of the SSA yesterday to address their demands. Speaking to media after the meeting, Aristotle Rimbai, president of the Meghalaya SSA School Association, said that the government has clarified the position on SSA teachers' cadre status. And according to the guidelines from the Government of India, there should be no separate cadre for SSA teachers, and Rimbai noted that in Meghalaya there are currently two distinct categories of teachers, that is the SSA and government teachers. The Government of India's policy mandates that both groups should fall under a single management system, which is the state government. The SSA teachers are demanding enhancement of pay to amend Meghalaya school education service rules, post-retirement benefits and resolution of other issues.
The Commissioner Secretary of Education Department today present the details presentation regarding those 8 points which we from the association have submitted to the government through the Education Department during the first meeting which was held on 18 November 2024. And out of those 8 points, 5 points have informed us that the Education Department are taking them into consideration and further discussion is needed regarding those 5 points.
The Office of the Research Officer District, along with local research stations and laboratories, hosted a celebration for World Soil Day 2024 in the East Khasi Hills. Addressing the event, Director of Agriculture J.C. Lingdor emphasized the importance of soil testing from multiple perspectives. She encouraged farmers to adopt biofertilizers to rejuvenate the soil and reduce the use of chemical fertilizers, which harm both human health and soil quality. During the event, the soil health card and a pamphlet on soil sampling were launched and distributed to local farmers to promote sustainable agricultural practices.
Banyak baginda ringin de sumar bahaya ke kendau mau kani ke dia ke pedang jong kanika subject pedang jong kanika jing rakhi ya kani ke la bon snam pila tips pang kani soil testing la bon snam ki officer ki staff jong kani ka office ki la wan shekishnom ki jong pi ban lummi ki kendau ban test ki kendau ki jong pi khlang ban test ki kendau ban ki la ju ai ya kani ki soil health cards man usnam ban batai ya pi kumno ban ai ya ban ai sbo kumno ban principal ya ka kendau jong pi.
Residents living along the Meghalaya-Assam border, particularly in the Sekuberi region and the Himajirang Riboi district, have been forced to take refuge in bunkers due to the frequent intrusion of wild elephants into the agricultural areas. Yesterday, at around 4 p.m., several wild elephants were seen attempting to enter farmlands in the region to feed on crops grown by local farmers. The frequent visit of these elephants to the area have raised concerns for the safety of both the citizens and the livelihoods. As part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the District Disaster Management Authority, Nongstoy, in collaboration with the Civil Defence and Home Guard West Khasi Hills, organised a 2-day training and mock drill on the use of outboard motorboards at Nongkhnum River Island on the 3rd and the 4th of December 2024. The program aimed to enhance community preparedness and resilience in managing water-related disasters. The Abda Mitra volunteers, tourist guides, association and local communities were trained in water rescue operation, safe handling of OBM boats and emergency responses techniques. The Riboi District Sports Association, through its athletic committee, conducted a selection trial today to choose athletes for the Riboi District team for the upcoming Meghalaya Games. Around 100 male and female athletes participated in the trial, with the RBDSA official announcing that only 30 athletes, in which 15 females and 15 males, would be selected to represent the district at the Meghalaya Games. It may be mentioned that the 6th edition of Meghalaya Games is scheduled to begin in January 2025.
Welcome selection na athletes jongka RBDSA kiban lake punishmenta akan ke 6 Meghalaya Games banglong Hawaii jer bat ngi la pendap ru apo jong gini ki sngi baladam ia ka swimming hang teh po trail fun park hang teh po umtro hang teh ngilayo ia ki kinong jingi ki babun hi ki samla senrang kan teh laiwan bat menta ka snem ka sini menengkong ke ba nagaliang jongka Riboi District Sport Association ngi simbenta ha ka jingi dei bat ka swimming dei ha ka jingi dei bat ka archery ru ngi menta ka snem nagaliang jongka RBDSA ngi simbenta bat ka practice ia kane ka kam ngi senang penlong hapo ini kisni bat kum juru ngi la pendap ia kane ka trial kom selection ia ka football na ka menta ki kentai bat senrang hapo madan nongjiri.
Now viewers, let's look at the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded was 6.8 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature recorded was 15.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 70% and relative humidity in the evening was 78%. The forecast: dry weather is likely at most places, shallow to moderate fog is likely at isolated places. Before we wind up, Here are the headlines once again. Chief Minister Korik K. Sangma lays foundation for Meghalaya's third five-star hotel, the Atal Hotel in Shillong. Chief Minister Korik K. Sangma launches Paint My City program in Tura to enhance urban management. Trinamool Congress Chief Mukul Sangma rules out return to Congress. Anti-TMC leader Mukul Sangma urges against politicization of police force in Meghalaya. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you today. Thank you and good night.